In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Volkswagen Tiguan. These are going to be located underneath the rear suspension. Let's get into it. In the back, behind this cover, just twist to the left, pop that out. You can see where this is held down. We're just going to pop this holder off, pull the jack out. There's a utility bag right here. Open up the utility bag. And you want to find this pick. We're going to use that. Take the hook tool. We're going to remove these caps. Just go in the center, grab the cap, pull it out. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. And just grab the wheel and pull it off. I'm going to take the lower sway bar link nut off. I'm going to use some locking pliers on the back side so that the stud won't spin. Just attach those. Using a 16mm socket, take this nut off. That comes off. Just using a pry bar, just going to pry this down. I'm going to take that stud out. Take the locking pliers off. On the other side, we're going to take this nut off, use a 16mm socket. Just loosen that up a little bit. The stud will be spinning. We're just going to use some locking pliers. The back side where the stud is. There you go. Take that off. Slide that out. Take the link, slide it through. Get the nut started. I'm going to use a 15mm ratchet wrench and a 5mm hex socket. Just to hold the stud from spinning. We'll tighten this down. We'll torque this nut to 48 foot-pounds. Take the lower part of the link, put the bolt through, the stud, get that lined up, get the nut started. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. I'm going to use a 13mm wrench on the back. If you used locking pliers before, you can do that. Just get this tightened up. And we want to torque that to 48 foot-pounds. That's good. Now install the wheel. Line up the holes. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Put the other ones on. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push those on. Take the pick tool, put that back in the utility bag, we'll wrap this up. And just tie it up. Place that back inside here. I'll take the jack, get that lined up. This little tie down, just pull that through. Take the door, slide the two little tabs in the base, and then twist it closed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.